Hi, I'm Stephanie, and I'm going to show you how to piece, quilt, and bind a cute mug rug on the Baby Lock Presto 2. To start the mug rug, we need to piece the top together. So we're actually going to stick with your standard J-foot, and we are going to use a 1/4 inch seam allowance. And then if you take a look at your bobbin cover, there's a 1/4 inch marking. You use that with your center needle position, and that will give you the perfect 1/4 inch. So we've stitched our top and our bottom row. Now we're going to press our seams to the dark side and connect these together with our sashing in the center. All right, so let's stitch our rows together. Next, press your seams, and we're going to layer our top, our batting, and our backing. All right, so we still have our needle in our center position, and we're going to start quilting with our 2 longest seams. Now we're going to start quilting our squares, and you're simply going to follow the edge of the foot. One more pass around all 4 quadrants. Okay, so we've squared up our mug rug, and we're going to put the binding on now. And you'll want to make sure and stop a 1/4 inch before the end of your mug rug. And stitch off towards the corner. And you're simply going to flip your fabric back to where you get a 45-degree angle here. And then flip your binding back towards the edge. Okay, we're going to turn it. We're going to start a 1/4 inch in. And let's go ahead and stick a couple pins to hold this down, and then we're going to stitch this down around the entire perimeter. You are done with your first mug rug. Explore this project and many more at babylock.com.